Sure. Here's an 800-word script on the 2025 McLaren Artura, starting with Scout Automobile, welcome to, and flowing naturally without any section headings. Scout Automobile, welcome to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into the 2025 McLaren Artura, McLaren's next-gen hybrid supercar that blends cutting-edge performance with forward-thinking technology. Whether you're a longtime supercar enthusiast or just stepping into the world of high-performance vehicles, the Artura represents a significant evolution in the McLaren lineup. First off, let's talk about the design. From the first glance, the 2025 Artura is unmistakably McLaren. The sleek aerodynamic body, sculpted air intakes, and low, aggressive stance are all hallmarks of the brand. But this isn't just about looking fast. Everything on the Artura serves a functional purpose. The airflow management system is meticulously designed, channeling air precisely where it's needed for cooling, downforce, and drag reduction. The dihedral doors still open upward with drama, but the car's exterior lines are cleaner, tighter, and more mature than ever. It's the kind of car that doesn't just turn heads, it stops people in their tracks. Underneath that stunning exterior is a completely new carbon fiber monocoque chassis called the MCLA, McLaren Carbon Lightweight Architecture. This platform has been designed specifically to accommodate hybrid powertrains, and it delivers improved rigidity, safety, and weight distribution. McLaren has gone to extraordinary lengths to keep the weight down, despite adding an electric motor and battery pack. The result? A dry weight of just over 3,000 pounds, making the Artura one of the lightest hybrids in its class. Now let's get into the heart of the beast, the powertrain. The 2025 Artura is powered by a 3.0-liter twin-turbocharged V6 engine paired with an electric motor integrated into the transmission. Combined output is an impressive 690 horsepower and 531 pound-feet of torque. Power is sent to the rear wheels through an 8-speed dual-clutch transmission. The electric motor doesn't just help with efficiency. It eliminates turbo lag, delivers instant torque, and can even propel the car in silent all-electric mode for up to 11 miles. Perfect for early morning departures or quiet city driving. Performance-wise, the Artura is every bit the supercar you'd expect. 0 to 60 miles per hour happens in just 3.0 seconds flat. The quarter mile is dispatched in about 10.7 seconds, and top speed is electronically limited to 205 miles per hour. But this car isn't just about straight-line speed. Thanks to its advanced suspension setup with proactive damping, a limited slip differential, and sticky Pirelli P0 tires with built-in sensors, the Artura delivers precision handling and incredible cornering grip. It communicates with the driver in a way few cars can, delivering both confidence and excitement whether you're on a racetrack or a winding mountain road. Step inside the Artura, and it's clear McLaren has refined the driving experience even further. The cabin is minimalist but focused. All controls are oriented around the driver, and the steering wheel remains free of buttons to maintain maximum feedback. The digital instrument cluster moves with the steering column, keeping vital information visible no matter your driving position. The seats, while supportive for high-speed driving, are comfortable enough for longer journeys, and the interior materials are top-notch. Think Alcantara, carbon fiber, and precision aluminum accents. Tech-wise, McLaren has made a major leap forward. The infotainment system features a vertically mounted touchscreen that controls navigation, media, and vehicle settings. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are now included, a first for McLaren, and the new operating system is far more intuitive and responsive than previous generations. There are also advanced driver assistance features such as adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, and a 360-degree camera system, although McLaren still wisely keeps the focus on the driving experience. The Artura's hybrid system is engineered to be seamless and unobtrusive. It charges automatically during deceleration and braking, so you're rarely thinking about managing battery levels. The transitions between electric and gas power are smooth, and in hybrid mode, the car prioritizes efficiency without sacrificing response. That said, flip it into track mode, and the full might of the V6 and electric motor comes alive in unison, offering a raw, unfiltered, and spine-tingling driving experience. McLaren has also made ownership of the Artura more accessible than you might expect for a car of this caliber. The 2025 model starts at around $250,000, and while that's certainly a premium price tag, it undercuts several competitors in the hybrid supercar space, especially when you factor in the level of performance, tech, and innovation on offer. The Artura isn't just a showcase of what McLaren can do, it's a statement about where the brand is headed. To sum it all up, the 2025 McLaren Artura is more than just the next chapter in McLaren's storied history. It's the foundation of a new era. It brings hybrid technology to the forefront without compromising the purity of the driving experience. It's fast, agile, beautiful, and forward-thinking. Whether you're a purist who loves the thrill of combustion or someone excited about the future of electrified performance, the Artura bridges that gap with grace and power. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the 2025 McLaren Artura, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. This is Scout Automobile. We'll see you next time with more of the world's most exciting machines. Let me know if you want a shorter version, subtitles, or edits tailored for social media or a voiceover.